Welcome back to another RTE video. Today, we're going to look at the new Heart of Metal pen by Supernote. The second generation pen comes in multiple colors and two new platings, alloy and 24 karat gold. Compared to the previous Heart of Metal pen, the new one is made of solid brass, giving it more of the feel of a real pen. So here we go. It's time to unbox the Heart of Metal pen. The pen feels solid and the weight is just right when writing. It has a much better writing feel than the original Heart of Metal pen. Overall, the second generation has improved upon the original design. At the same starting price of $75, the new Heart of Metal pen is a recommended purchase if you're a fan of the original. So, that wraps up our unboxing and look at the new Heart of Metal pen from Supernote. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. This has been RTE, your technology and entertainment channel.